We're in Kodiak, Alaska, in the north end of Near Island, I believe. And there's trails here. There's old trees, like this one. Look at that. Look at all those branches. Now up above, he's still alive, so it's not dead. There's another one like it. Just thought you might want to see what the forest is like here in Kodiak. That one's not alive, but look at this. We saw one bird, well, and one eagle, and one squirrel, and that was it. So it's time for us to head back to the ship now. We still have about a mile to walk back into town because we crossed the bridge from the main part of the city to Near Island.